Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Gaggia Babila with us in the shop. And I came in because the coffee was clogged in the spouts, or it wasn't brewing coffee. So pretty much what we did is we unplugged the spouts and also did a tune-up on this machine, where we cleaned both the brew unit, going into the spouts with coffee detergent, replaced all the gaskets both on the brew unit and also on its water valve behind the brew unit. Descaled the machine thoroughly, and just did some routine maintenance on the machine. So now we're going to quickly turn it on. So first we're going to put this here because it's probably going to do a rinsing cycle, or not, depending on how the machine is used, or the last time it was used. Wait for it to heat up. There we go. So I guess I'm going to do a rinsing cycle this time. We are going to brew a shot with this machine. We're going to do 1 espresso. We're going to move to grab the coffee. Now it's going to go into brew position to start brewing. And now it's going to start. So the first few seconds are the pre-infusion phase. And then it's going to start brewing fully. As you can see, coming out really well. Beautiful shot. I'm going to leave that there. I've been brewing a few shots, that's why I have to empty the grounds container. But that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.